Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asya Rida, and I'm from a group with my friends named Saida Lutfi Agnia and Rizka Norsi Ramadana. We are from Critical Thinking Skills at 3. We will talk about how we apply critical thinking skills for answering the question. Question number 1 is the main point of this passage is that the result of our discussion answered C. Why C? Because the sentence, although carbon tetrachloride can usually be used in industry, it is not always in home products, is the point of this reading text. So that the other answer choices, like A, B, D, A, carbon tetrachloride can be very dangerous when it is heated. B, the government banned carbon tetrachloride in 1970. D. Carbon tetrachloride used to be a regular part of cleaning compounds, only become supporters in the sentence text. Once more again, the answer is C. Although carbon tetrachloride can legally be used in industry, it is not always in home products. For question number 2, it is asked which word is close to another word of widely used. For this question, first, I look at where this word is in the reading text, so that I know the context in question. When I have found the location and I know the translation, I will look at the answer options, and I came across the word extensively, which has a translation that is close to even the same as the word widely, while other options such as grandly, largely, and hugely do not have the same meaning as widely. And for question number 3, the method I did was the same as number 2 because question number 2 and 3 have the same meaning. So the steps that I did are the same, and the answer I get is A, forbidden.
To answer the question number 4, in the text there is a sentence. In the past, carbon tetrachloride was a common ingredient in cleaning compounds that were used throughout the home. This can provide clues to answer the question. The text also continues with, but it was found to be dangerous. This is the reason why the United States revoked permission for the home use of carbon tetrachloride in 1970. Therefore, before 1970, carbon tetrachloride was often used as a component of cleaning products. In other words, the answer is C. In the question number 5, it is stated in the passage that when carbon tetrachloride is heated, it becomes A. Harmful. Why the answer is harmful? Because in the text it is stated that if carbon tetrachloride is heated, it changes into a poisonous gas. This gas is very dangerous because it can cause severe illness and even death if it is inhaled. Therefore, the answer is A, harmful, not B, colorless, or C, cleaning compound, or D, inflammable. To answer question number 6, in the text, carbon tetrachloride turns into a poisonous gas when heated. So, the only way the gas enters the body that causes illness and death is by inhalation. When we inhale, we draw air into our lungs through our noses and mouth. Inhale is synonymous with breathe in. While the option A, warm, means make or become warm. The option C, carelessly used, means the reckless use of something. And the option D, blunt, means shortness of breath or out of breath. Therefore, the correct answer is B, breathe in.
Question number 7. The word revoke in line 8 could most easily be replaced by. We conclude that our answer will be D, took away, because the word revoke itself means put an end to the validity or operation of a decree, decision, or promise. In line 8, the word revoke focuses on revoking permission for the use of carbon tetrachloride for the home use. In option A, gave means giving something, Option B, granted means to agree or admit. Option C, institute means to establish something. And option D, took away means to remove something. Therefore, the word revoke can be replaced by took away. Question number 8. It can be inferred from the passage that one role of the US government is to. Our answer is A, regulate product safety. The passage explains the reasons why carbon tetrachloride can be dangerous for society. The US government has the authority to make regulations that prevent their people have an endangering society. Therefore, one role of the US government is to regulate product safety. The last question, number 9, the paragraph following the passage most likely discussed. Our answer is B, the banning of various chemical compounds by the US government. Previous paragraph discussed the reasons why the permission to use carbon tetrachloride for harm are revoked. And the last sentence of the passage is the United States has taken similar action with various other chemical compounds. So we conclude that the paragraph following the passage most likely to discuss about the banning of various chemical compounds by the US government. So that's it, the explanation from our group. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.